morning everyone. Let us see Mathematics Grade 2 Chapter 2 Lines and Angles. Lesson Objectives. After this session, we will be able to apply the protractor to measure angles accurately. Mind the mistake. Let us see, when we are using the protractor, if we want to measure angle between these, do we need to use like this? No. We have to always ensure that one line coincides with the 0 and then other angle we need to measure. Similarly, observe the second picture. We are observing, doing it is aligning, but from which side we have to count? We have to count where this one is joining, the line joining, from that time to increasing order. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105, not 85. So the angle here it should be 105 degrees, not 85. Here, when we are observing here, it will come like this, 55 degrees, not this 35. Let us see exercise questions. Figure it out. Where are the angles? First question. Angle in a clock A. The hands of the clock makes a different angles at different times. At 1 o'clock. Now, at 1 o'clock we need to. So, at 1 o'clock, this as shown in the picture, the hour handle show at 1 and this minute hands show at 12. So, this angle we need to find it out. We know that angle at this clock is totally 360 degrees. But how many hours we have? 12 hours. So, this each hour is this one 30 degrees. Therefore, the angle between this 1 and 12 are written along the circumference of the clock is equal distances. Therefore, 360 by 12 is equals to 30. Hence, the angle between two consecutive numbers is 30 degrees. At 1 o'clock, it's a 0 and at 1, the consecutive number. Therefore, the angle is 30 degrees. Now, similarly, at the second one, just now we have observed that one angle between two consecutive numbers is 30. Then we have two numbers, 2 o'clock. So, the angle will be 2 into 30. Therefore, the angle is 60 degrees. If angle is at the 4 and the 12 o'clock, then the angle between the 4 and the clock will be 120 degrees. The angle between 6 and the 12 is 180 degrees, like that one. If angle hands at the 5 o'clock will be, then angle will be at this 5 into 30 degrees, 150 degrees. Angle between hands at 7 o'clock is 7 into 30 and the angle at 8 o'clock is 8 into 30, 240 degrees. So, these are the which we have explored with the different angles. Let us see question number 2. The angle of a door. Is it possible to express the amount of which door is open using an angle? Here, there is a door is there and we need to express it of this angle. And what will be the vertex of the angle and what will be the arms of the angle. If we are considering this is a door here, this is the vertex and these are the angles. This is this angle. This is acute angle. We will have the different scenarios. If the door is open like this, the angle will be the acute angle. If the door is open directly the perpendicular that one, that will be right angle. If the door is wider open, then the angle is obtuse angle. Let us see question number 3. Vidya is enjoying her time on a swing. She notices that the greater the angle which she starts the swinging, the greater is the speed she achieves on her swing. But where is the angle? Are you able to see any angle? Here, let's see, Vidya is enjoying here. Now, if we mark this as this tree, that one as this AB, and this swing as this BC, then the angle is observed is here. This is the angle. Let us see question number 4. Here is a toy with the slanting slabs attached to its studs. The greater the angles or the slopes of the slabs, the faster the ball rolls. Can angles be used to describe the slopes of the slabs? What are the arms of each angle and what arms is visible and which is not? Here, in this first case, if we observe, the greater the angle, the greater the slope. First one here, the red mark, okay, here. Next, as the slope increases, the wider this angle. So these are the arms here. If we have A, B, C. The first case AB and BC are the arms and B is the vertex. The angle observed is ABC. The second one PQR. PQ and QR are the arms and the angle is PQR. Similarly, the third one we can measure it is X, Y, Z. XY and YZ are the arms and angle is XYZ. Similarly, the last one is M, N, O. MN and NO are the arms and MNO is the angle. So for each angle, one arm is a side and other arm is a slope. Let us see question number 5. Observe the image below where there is an insect and its rotated version. Can angles be used to describe the amount of rotation? How? What will be the arms of the angle and vertex? Here, if we observe this insects here, the first one is standing, next one is sleeping. Similarly, second one also, second sleeping, next one is standing. Both the insects are rotated 90 degrees as depicted in this here. See, standing, so exactly it rotated is 90 degrees. The second picture also, this insect also rotate upward, so 90 degrees, exactly right angle it moved. Thank you.